Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're in the kitchen and I'm going to take you on a tour of my pantry and show you how I transformed my pantry from a complete disaster to an organized pantry where I'm able to find everything that I need and also do it on a budget. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on organization items. So most of the things that are featured in this video are from the dollar store and Target as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I transformed my pantry, keep watching. So as you can see from the before images, it was a mess, a complete disaster. No rhyme or reason, just everything everywhere. Now, this made it really difficult for me to find what I needed as nothing had a place. Now, I knew that I didn't want to spend more than $25 on organization solutions, so I had to make use of the storage items that I already had before going out and purchasing additional storage items. Well, the first thing I did was clear out everything, just cleared everything out of the pantry, and then I dusted and wiped down all the shelves to make sure that everything was nice and clean before I placed the liner on all the cabinets. Not all the cabinets, all the shelves. Next, I purchased these collapsible containers from the dollar store. And here is the after.
It's Hot Ice exclusive on the beat.
I already had these OXO airtight containers that I purchased from the container store years ago. So I just poured my sugar and flour in them and used a chalk label to label them. Now I purchased these mason jars specifically for the pantry makeover. I didn't get these from the dollar store because I found that they were actually more expensive at the dollar store. So I got them at Target. Now I'm told that they're even less expensive at Ace Hardware. So if you do have an Ace Hardware in your community, then you might want to check there for affordable mason jars. This tea box is another item that I already had that I purchased years ago on Amazon. So I just placed all my tea bags inside for a neat storage solution.
It's Hot Ice exclusive on the beat.
I keep all of my canned goods on this wire rack that was also purchased on Amazon years ago. And stay tuned for a video on how to cover up
or camouflage nicks or gouges or scratches in hardwood floors, because looking back on this video, it looks like there are particles on the floor, but there's nothing there. It's just gouges. So I'm going to figure out how to fix it and then share my results with all of you, and we'll see whether or not it works. Now, as you can see, I didn't label my containers, and that's because I didn't have a need. I know what's in everything. But if you want to label your containers, you can purchase these clip-on labels, which I found at Target.
Exclusive on the beat.
So there you go, a kitchen pantry makeover for under $25. I hope you were inspired, and if you have any tips and tricks for me, feel free to share. I would love to hear from you. And as always, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more. And I will see you soon.